Hey everybody, so it looks like it's not my lucky day. For the first time ever, I have a heater core that has failed on my car. And I've been really lucky, I think, so far, because I would change my coolant and I would only use distilled water with coolant mix and do that about every 2 years. I'd flush out the system and keep it clean. Well, all good things come to an end, and today my heater core just ended. And here, it's kind of hard to see, but telltale signs, I have fog at the base of my windshield here. And that nice sweet smell. And the number one sign, right there, that is not water, that is coolant coming from underneath the passenger side of the dash. So, looks like we get to have some fun with this car sooner rather than later, unfortunately. So, watch for that.